Love cooking but hate the effort that comes with it? These lazy Amazon kitchen gadgets are built to do the hard work for you, so you can relax and still get great results. From easy prep to stress-free cleanup, they make cooking feel almost effortless. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Turn your kitchen or party into an ice cream paradise with this snowflake ice machine. It produces over 330 pounds of shaved ice per day with rapid cooling in under a minute, perfect for desserts, drinks, or summer treats. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's durable, rust-resistant, and safe for all your creations. The touch control panel lets you adjust speed and clean with one button. From snow ice to spaghetti-style ice, every texture is silky smooth and fun. Upgrade your kitchen game with this powerful countertop blender. The 1,400-watt motor crushes ice, frozen fruits, and nuts in seconds for ultra-smooth smoothies, soups, or sauces. It comes with a large 68-ounce jar for family meals and a 20-ounce grinder for coffee, spices, and grains. Adjustable speeds and a built-in timer give you full control, while self-cleaning stainless steel blades make cleanup a breeze. Versatile, fast, and safe, this blender does it all. Make entertaining effortless with this triple slow cooker buffet. 3 separate 2.5-quart ceramic pots let you cook and serve multiple dishes at once, perfect for family gatherings or parties. Each pot has its own temperature control, low, high, or warm, so everything cooks just right. The handy lid rests keep surfaces clean while serving. Dishwasher-safe pots make cleanup a breeze, turning busy entertaining into a stress-free, delicious experience. So if you want effortless entertaining, scan the QR to shop now. Breakfast just got a major upgrade. This dual sandwich maker lets you cook 1 or 2 sandwiches at the same time, ready in just 5 minutes. Use your favorite fresh ingredients, eggs, cheese, meat, and bread for hot, delicious sandwiches without ever leaving your kitchen. The built-in timer with an audible beep takes the guesswork out of cooking. Quick, easy, and customizable, it's perfect for busy mornings or satisfying cravings anytime. Stop letting your fresh herbs wilt and go to waste. This clever herb saver keeps basil, cilantro, parsley, and more crisp for up to 3 weeks by gently hydrating their stems. The clear hard-shell container protects leaves from being crushed while letting you see exactly what's inside. Easy to use, fits right in your fridge, and dishwasher safe. Your herbs stay vibrant, flavorful, and ready to elevate every meal. So if you want fresh herbs that last, scan the QR to shop now. Peeling garlic just got effortless and mess-free. This handy garlic peeler uses stainless steel tweezers to remove skins quickly without leaving a smell on your hands. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store with the built-in hanging hole. Made from durable, waterproof materials, it's simple to clean and built to last. Save time, keep your hands fresh, and make cooking more enjoyable with this clever kitchen clip. Turn snack time into a fun, hands-free experience. This motion-activated candy dispenser delivers treats automatically with just a wave of your hand. Choose from 3 dispensing options to get the perfect portion every time, while the retro modern design makes it a stylish addition to any desk or countertop. It keeps candy fresh and hygienic, and its generous capacity is perfect for parties, offices, or home fun. Sweet, simple, and a little bit magical. Make green bean prep effortless and precise. This manual slicer turns fresh beans into perfect French-style cuts in seconds, ideal for salads, stir-fries, and gourmet dishes. It also removes strings and peels beans for faster, cleaner prep. Lightweight and easy to use, it delivers consistent results every time. Dishwasher safe and compact, it's a simple tool that makes vegetable prep quicker, neater, and more enjoyable. So if you want perfect beans in seconds, scan the QR to shop now. Say goodbye to sharp edges and awkward pours. This universal can opener removes tops cleanly, leaving a smooth rim for safe sipping. Perfect for soda, beer, cocktails, or energy drinks. It works on almost any aluminum can. Its ergonomic handle makes lifting and twisting effortless, and the compact design is ideal for tailgates, parties, or camping. Enjoy your favorite drinks fully, safely, and in style. Your cans just got upgraded. Fresh bread smells like magic, and now you can make it at home effortlessly. This automatic bread maker kneads, mixes, and bakes your favorite loaves with just a touch. Choose from 12 menu options, 3 crust colors, and 3 loaf sizes to get bread exactly how you like it. The removable nonstick pan makes cleanup a breeze, and the compact design fits right on your countertop. From classic bread to cakes and pizza dough, homemade baking has never been easier. So if you want fresh bread at home anytime, scan the QR to shop now. Turn your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost without any mess or smell. This electric composter transforms up to 2.2 pounds of food waste daily in just a few hours, thanks to advanced microbial technology. Whisper quiet operation keeps it peaceful, while a 3-layer filter keeps odors out. Everything you need to start composting comes included, and its sleek countertop design fits right in with your kitchen. Eco-friendly, efficient, and effortless, composting has never been this easy. Who says you need a dozen appliances to cook a meal? This 5-in-1 portable air fryer handles air fry, bake, re-crisp, max crisp, and keep warm, all with a single touch. It uses up to 90% less oil, so you get crispy, healthy meals without sacrificing flavor. 2 glass containers let you cook for one or the whole family, and everything is dishwasher safe for zero hassle. Compact, versatile, and fast, cooking just got way easier. Take your meals anywhere without the bulk. This collapsible silicone bowl folds down super small for travel, meal prep, or work lunches. It holds both hot and cold food and pops open to give you a generous serving when you need it. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It's made from safe, eco-friendly materials that let you ditch disposable containers. Compact, versatile, and sustainable. Mealtime just got a serious upgrade. Thirsty for perfectly clean water without the hassle? This countertop reverse osmosis system transforms your tap into pure, great-tasting water instantly. Just plug it in and enjoy. No complicated installation needed. Its multi-stage filtration removes chlorine, fluoride, sediment, and more, giving you fresh hydration with every sip. You get an extra cartridge too, so you're ready for thousands of cups. Fast, efficient, and eco-friendly, it's hydration upgraded. Wake up to coffee that matches your style. This retro drip coffee machine brews up to 10 cups of rich, aromatic coffee with just a touch of a button. Choose between light or intense strength to suit your mood, and set the auto start timer so your coffee is ready when you are. The keep warm plate holds it at the perfect temperature, while the glass carafe makes pouring effortless. Stylish, compact, and easy to use. Your mornings just got an upgrade. So if you want perfect coffee every morning, scan the QR to shop now. Mornings just got a whole lot easier. This 4-in-1 breakfast maker lets you toast, steam, cook, and bake all in one compact machine. The 8-liter oven and 1-liter pot give you enough space for meals for 1 to 3 people without taking over your countertop. Its sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen while keeping cooking healthy and odor-free. Cleanup is simple thanks to the non-stick pan and removable parts. Perfect for busy mornings or small apartments where space is precious. Cooking just got smarter and easier. This all-in-one food processor handles everything from chopping and blending to slow cooking, steaming, frying, and even sous vide. A built-in scale measures ingredients precisely, so your recipes turn out perfect every time. With a 3.5-liter capacity, it's big enough for family meals, and the app lets you control it from your phone. Plus, it cleans itself, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. So if you want to cook like a pro with zero hassle, scan the QR to shop now. Pouring drinks just got a lot easier. This hands-free drink dispenser lets you pour straight from the bottle without lifting or spilling. You simply press your cup against the trigger and watch the drink flow smoothly. It fits most juice, milk, or water jugs, making it great for kids and adults alike. No drips, no mess, and no heavy bottles to wrestle with. Perfect for busy fridges, parties, or everyday use. Baking just got a serious upgrade. This all-metal stand mixer tackles everything from kneading dough to whipping cream with smooth, consistent power thanks to its DC copper motor. A 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl holds enough for big batches, and the flexible paddle scrapes every corner so nothing is wasted. You get 4 stainless steel attachments plus a universal power hub for shredding, grinding, or even making pasta. It runs quietly, has a tilt head for easy access, and a splash guard with pouring chute keeps your kitchen clean while you bake like a pro. Tea brewing just became effortless. This magnetic drip teapot releases tea with a simple lift, letting you control the pour without spills or mess. The clear glass design lets you watch the tea bloom, making every cup feel special. A built-in filter keeps leaves out so you get a smooth, clean pour every time. It's comfortable to hold, easy to clean, and perfect for slow afternoons or sharing tea with guests. So if you want perfect tea every time, scan the QR to shop now. Your toaster just got way smarter. This touchscreen toaster lets you pick the exact bread type and browning level, so you get toast just how you like it every time. You tap a few options, and sensors adjust the heat for crispy outsides and soft centers. It heats up fast, so you're not waiting around for breakfast. There's even a press mode that turns your toast into hot, melty sandwiches using just toaster heat. Simple, smart, and seriously satisfying to use. Cooking just got a serious upgrade. This AI-powered cooking assistant guides you through hundreds of recipes while doing the chopping, stirring, and cooking for you. You simply add ingredients, choose a recipe, and watch it handle the rest step by step. A built-in scale measures as you go, so you don't have to guess or grab extra tools. You can even control it from your phone using Wi-Fi. When you're done, it cleans itself, so you get more time to enjoy the food you made. So if you want effortless gourmet meals, scan the QR to shop now. Open cans shouldn't be a hassle or a gamble. This snap-on drink cover lets you pop open cans easily while sealing the top to keep bugs, sand, and dust out. You use less force to lift the tab, so your fingers and nails stay happy. Once it's open, you can rotate the cap to cover the opening between sips. Bright colors also help you spot your drink fast at parties, BBQs, or the beach. Corn night just got a whole lot cleaner. This clever corn accessory set helps you strip kernels fast without corn flying everywhere. The foldable peeler opens when you need it and folds shut for safe, compact storage. The interlocking cob holders give you a solid grip, so you can eat hot corn without burning your fingers. They even snap together when stored, keeping drawers tidy. Perfect for grilling days, quick prep, and stress-free cleanup. So if you want mess-free corn nights, scan the QR to shop now. Dinner doesn't have to take all night. This stainless steel pressure cooker helps you get hearty meals on the table fast while locking in flavor and nutrients. You can open and lock it with one hand. so cooking feels effortless even when you're juggling ingredients. It works on most stovetops and gives you steady pressure for tender meats and rich soups every time. You also get a glass lid and steamer, so you can switch from pressure cooking to everyday cooking easily. Cleanup is simple too, letting you enjoy the meal instead of the mess. So if you want dinner done faster, scan the QR to shop now. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.